Hey, welcome back to Learner Vlogs. Still figuring out Flutter one day at a time. Yesterday was day 0. I finally got Flutter set up and managed to run my first tiny app. Today I moved on to actually creating a real Flutter project. I started with the command flutter create my first app. You could also use this code to create a Flutter project. Flutter generated the whole project for me, lots of folders and files I don't fully get yet, but the important part for now is the lib folder. Main.dart is where the app begins. There is a main function that's the entry point. Flutter also gives you a starter counter app in this file. When I run it, I got the default app, a button that increases a number, nothing complicated, but it showed me the structure works. The other folders, Android, iOS, web, and test, I'm leaving them aside for now. My focus is just on main.dart because that's where I can actually practice and see changes. I edited the default text inside main.dart and so it updated on emulator. Just a small change, but it made me feel like I'm starting to control what shows on screen. That's day 1. First project created, first edit made. Tomorrow I will dive deeper into widgets and start shaping my own layouts. To be continued.